Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a sound and how to find a sound. First, go to scratch.mit.edu. Okay. Now press on my stuff. And then press new project. So mine's is loading. Now drag in a when flag clicked. Go to control and get a forever loop. Then get an if statement. Not get an if statement. First, just get the code for when flag clicked in the forever loop. Now go to sounds. It's next to costumes over here. And then I got the meow sound already. So I don't want that. I want to find this sound. So you just click on this sound, choose a sound. Then you can choose all sorts of stuff. So first I can go to loops. And then you can play. So in the choose a sound, you can also get like a sound. So I'm going to increase my volume. Look. So look. You get like a preview or something like that. You get a preview of how it sounds. You can also search up. So like I got like all sorts of stuff. So that's how you choose a sound or find one. So if you want to make a sound, you just hover over choose a sound and then press record. If it asks you that, just press allow and then press record. Hi. So that's, you can save it and then you can rename it to that. Hi. So that's how you make a sound. If you now go back to the code, so you should have had a when flag clicked in forever, and then go to sounds, and then just play sound. For some reason, it doesn't say hi. So okay, that doesn't work. Okay, that doesn't work. Oh, it's been deleted for some reason. Okay, hi. Okay, you can. So now go to code and then place our recording one. Hi. There. So now we can go to sounds and then we can adjust it. So we put it slower. You can put all sorts of. You can make it softer. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's how you make stuff. You can make all sorts of adjustments. So look, so I can do this. I think. Can I delete it? Yeah, you can delete this the part that you don't want. I don't want that part. So yeah, you delete it, but it doesn't do. You can't like realize it. The part where you don't want it to delete, it'll just grow bigger. See? So that's how you do that. You can also copy the link. Oh, so that's you can make a million of these. Okay, so that's how you make sound. So now if you don't want if you don't want to put it in like a real if you don't want to put it in just a fake one, this is how you do it in the real one. It's the same step. So go to one of your games. So now go to sound. Okay, you can, if you want, you can choose that. But okay, I'll just go to loops. Effects, I don't know. Okay, I'll just search it up. Not this. Okay, let's go to dance ones. Okay, and then drag in a when flag clicked, wherever, and then go to sounds and get play sound dance chill out. For the sound to be good, you would want to make the sound so it would be combining. So look. See? So it played probably, but it's like a nice sound. You probably want it to be nice for your game. So you can do this in any game you want. You can do it in any game you want. You just have to do the same code. So the code is, yeah, this is the code. When flag clicked, forever, play random song. Because it says dance chill because I chose it. So you can choose whatever you want by just click on that and then search it up, or you can use the tabs they already put for how it sounds. So that's how you make a sound and how to find a sound. So if you want to find the sound, you want to play the sound that you made. It's the same way, but just look. Hi. So look, I save it and then I go to my code. I'll change it to recording 1. Hi. Yeah, that's how you just do if you want to make a song that you want your players to hear. So in this video I showed you how to make a sound, how to find the sound, and how to play it in your games. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications for more videos coming by.